Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring your phone is ready, a registered screen lock and an active fingerprint sensor. Open the gallery and go straight to Settings, then Privacy or Lock Album to begin. This is necessary because the fingerprint lock ties into your system lock. Once there, choose the album or folders you want protected and select Enable Lock. This step links the gallery's lock to your device biometrics, so make sure your primary fingerprint is already enrolled in system settings before continuing. Next, you pick what to lock and how it behaves. Select specific albums or opt for all photos, then choose Biometric Unlock so your fingerprint is the only quick access. The app will prompt you to confirm with your device PIN or password to authorize the change. Do that to bind the setting. Once done, set an auto-lock timeout and enable quick hide or blur previews so thumbnails don't reveal content. These options reduce accidental exposure and balance convenience versus privacy. Finally, test the lock. Close the gallery and reopen the locked album. Authenticate with your fingerprint. If it fails, unlock with your PIN or password and re-enroll the fingerprint in system settings. Finger placement and cleanliness matter. Once re-enrolled, test again. If problems persist, restart the device and clear the gallery app cache. That often resolves config glitches. If still broken, remove lock, reinstall updates for the gallery. Then set the lock again to ensure the configuration writes correctly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.